Australian teenager in court over terrorist bomb plot. An Australian teenager who was allegedly planning the bomb plot has appeared in children's court charged with terrorism offences. The 17-year-old, who cannot be named for legal reasons, was arrested in a raid on his home in Melbourne's northern suburbs on Friday. Police said his arrest halted a plot to detonate 3 homemade bombs in the city. He was remanded in custody. The teenager did not apply for bail and will face court again on May 26. He was charged with engaging in an act in preparation for, or planning the terrorist act. He was also charged with possessing things connected to a terror plot. None of his family appeared in court on Monday, according to local media, which also reported he had dropped out of school and posted radical statements on social media. Series of raids. The arrest comes not long after 5 men were detained last month, also in Melbourne, for allegedly planning an attack on an Anzac Day ceremony. Last September saw the country's biggest counter-terrorism operation, with 15 people arrested. In a separate case, the South Australian doctor believed to be working for Islamic State has accused Australia of having blood on its hands and says he will never return to Australia. Dr. Terrorism family, who has worked in several Australian hospitals, appeared in an IS propaganda video in April saying he had gone to Syria to work for Island. The Medical Board of Australia has begun regulatory action regarding Dr. Thamley's medical registration. In a social media post reported by local media, Dr. Thamley said the drone strikes that had occurred since he had been in Syria had killed civilians rather than soldiers. Good work, Team Australia! From what I've seen, you have more blood on your hands than ISIS has on their knives, his post reportedly said.